How are you doing? Hopefully you're having a great day. I need to lower my seat just a tad. There we go. Perfect. We got the monitor up too. Anyway, hopefully you're having a good day. Thanks for streaming with us. It's a good looking day out there. A little cooler than yesterday, but not too bad. It is breezy. We'll talk about all that coming up. Okay, so let's take a look out there. We've got a temperature right now of 55 degrees. Notice the dew point's at 32. It is dry. Relative humidity values later on this afternoon will be way down there, about 15%. So I've seen some dry weather lately, and it's definitely going to be dry. Notice the wind too. Winds north at about 18 miles per hour. This morning, we had a low temperature of 51, which is a little bit below average. Temperature outside right now, 55 with those northerly breezes. And of course, we're nowhere near the record high or record low. Taking a look out there. By the way, if you notice, it's a little hazy. Some of that smoke from just a lot of wildfires, especially up in North Texas. Also a little dust brought in by the frontal boundary that came in overnight. 55 degrees is the current temperature. Kerrville 52, Fredericksburg 50. This morning, believe it or not, wind chills in the hill country were in the 30s. Now it feels like 42 at Fredericksburg, but yeah, they were in the upper 30s, like 38, 39. Look at these winds. Winds have been out of the north at about 20 miles per hour, gusting to 30. So, you know, we don't have a red flag warning here, but just be careful. Don't burn outdoors if you don't have to. Relative humidity values are going to be really low. It's a little breezy out there, so wildfires can get out of hand pretty quick. There is a red flag warning in effect for locations down to the south, down towards Victoria, Beeville, Tilden, and also down around Cotulla. So just keep that in mind. Red flag warning means that fire weather is critical, at least the hazard of that. Okay, so let's fast forward things. Let's take a look. Okay. The system that came through, I've been talking about this all week, how this system that came through overnight would cause storms North Texas, East Texas, but not for us, and that was generally the case. I think we're looking at a good-looking weekend, but next week, early Monday, we'll have ingredients coming together that could produce severe thunderstorms. Monday could be our first severe thunderstorm day of the season, so we'll have to watch Monday really closely. So here's the forecast again for today. High temperatures in the mid 70s. Let's see, right there, about 75 degrees. And then tonight, it'll cool off into the 40s. It's going to be chilly tomorrow morning for Saturday, but we're going to warm back up into the upper 70s for Saturday and close to 80 on Sunday. Now we're going to really fast forward things into Monday. I've got the dew point contours on here where you see the green. It's humid. Where you see the brown, it's drier. And I think Monday morning we're going to have moisture return coming in pretty quick. So that's one element. That's the buoyancy element. I want you to notice how the winds at the surface Monday morning are out of the south and east, and above they're going to be streaming really fast out of the south and west. So we're going to have some directional shear as well. We're going to have some lift with that upper level system coming in. And we're also going to have it's going to be unstable. So we've got a chance for some severe storms. Now, early in the season like this, when these systems come through in the morning, it's not, of course, it's not the heating of the day. It's not the warmest part of the day. And so the severe threat is going to be a little limited. Notice that there's only orange showing up here, okay? One of the computer models, the GFS, says that this system's going to come through in the morning. If that happens, our severe threat is definitely going to be limited. This is the European. If this one is closer, then I think we definitely could have some severe storms around midday and then kind of transitioning off to the east in the evening. At least that's the way it looks, because once those winds kick around to the south and west, see how they're kind of out of the south and west there, that will end our threat. But I think the biggest threat is going to be large hail. We're going to have really low freezing wet bulb zero temperatures down around 9,000 feet. We should have some pretty good updrafts, so large hail will be a threat. Winds are going to be just howling in the mid and lower part of the atmosphere, so straight line winds could be a real problem. And also there's going to be some directional shear. So isolated tornadoes, wouldn't be surprised at all. Again, if this system comes in the morning, not as big of a threat. Afternoon, yes, definitely. All right, so for today, 75, sunny and breezy. Tomorrow morning, 44 for a low, high 78. Sunday, 47 for a low, high temperature near 80. First day of spring is on Sunday, and it will be a breezy day. Monday is going to be a windy day. Good chance of seeing some thunderstorm action, and a few of those could be severe. Cold front comes through, and most of next week looks good. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, high temperatures in the low 70s. But notice the temperature's coming down just a little bit. Okay, make sure and watch us. Can't watch us at noon because we've got the March Madness, but watch us tonight, and I'll be back Monday morning. All right, have a great weekend. We'll see you later.